Good morning, student. In first video, we see that how our author found that letter from a junk box, and he read that letter. From that letter, he knew that this letter was written to Connie, and the owner of the letter was Mr. Jim McPherson. And in that letter, the writer also mentioned the specific date, and the date was December 26, 1914. As we know that this story is written about war, especially I have mentioned in earlier that the story is written about in the concept of First World War. In second part, we are going through the second part where we can see that this letter is addressed to dearest Connie. That means dearest Connie is Mrs. McPherson, who was the wife of Jim McPherson. Actually, the purpose of this letter was very much clear, that this letter was written by Mr. McPherson to his wife Connie, and where he gave all the details of warfare. Letter Mr. McPherson gone through some events in the special day of Christmas Eve, when both German and British soldiers were met in warfare, but they enjoyed Christmas Day in their way. In that letter, Jim McPherson also shared to his wife that how they spent Christmas Day. Both the soldiers, I mean both the countries, Britishers and the German soldiers, were celebrated Christmas Day in a great enthusiasm. They both shared their lunch. They played friendly football match. They shared their drinks and everything. That means at the war field, they were both enemy to each other, but actually as a human being, they did not support the war against each other, because to everyone war is nothing but a butchery. In that letter, he also mentioned that Tommy was his enemy, but in warfield, but when they shared their lunch, they played friendly football match, they shared their wines, drinks, and also they shared their happy moments to each other. So they forget that both of them were enemies. So all the day's celebration was discussed to his wife, Mrs. McPherson. When our author Michael Morpurgo goes through that letter, he also knew this letter was given. This letter was written to Mrs. Connie only for the purpose to discuss about how Mr. McPherson spent his life in the warfield. After reading that letter, our author Morpurgo decided that he should handed over this letter to its actual owner, that means Mrs. Macpherson. So, according to his thought, he went to meet Mrs. Macpherson. When he went to meet Mrs. Macpherson, he found that in the address of the above letter, the mentioned address where he went, there were no one in that house. From inquiring to her neighbors, he knew that Mrs. Macpherson was in the hospital at Burlington House Nursing, hospitalized at the Burlington House Nursing Home, where after hearing that, our author went there and he desperately wanted to meet Mrs. Macpherson. So in that nursing home, when he inquired about Mrs. Macpherson, the authority gave the chance to meet with him. Our author saw that Mrs. Macpherson was in the wheelchair, and Mrs. Macpherson also misunderstood that maybe Jim, his husband, was there to meet with him after a long time. But when the author handed over this precious letter to Mrs. Macpherson, he sometimes thought that it was Jim who gave a precious gift on the eve of Christmas Day. After some times misunderstanding, Mrs. Macpherson thought that this was gift as she had ever, and he thought that it was really precious to him. After handed over this letter, our author was also satisfied because he wanted to meet Mrs. Macpherson desperately to handed this letter, and after giving that letter, he was very much satisfied. That's all in that story.